Sleep Recovery Autogenics is a program presented by sleep educator Linda Camerata. This is a straightforward practice that involves body awareness and the repetition of relaxing phrases to induce a state of deep relaxation to support restorative sleep. As with any form of mind-body practice, it's recommended that you receive physician approval before beginning this program. If you have a pre-existing mental or physical illness, it's especially important to receive medical clearance before engaging in this audio program.
Sleep Recovery Autogenics can be practiced any time during the day or at night. Plan to practice in a comfortable, safe environment, seated or lying down. You may practice when you feel anxious, you're overthinking, ruminating, experiencing excessive or depleted energy, frustrated, or generally dysregulated. Please remember to never operate a motor vehicle of any kind while practicing Sleep Recovery Autogenics. Let's begin. Begin by noticing your body and find a position that creates the least amount of effort and relax into your body. Now notice the soles of your feet. Travel up to the base of your spine. If seated, notice the bones you are sitting upon. Continue up towards your shoulders now, releasing your shoulders and noticing the palms of your hands. Let your fingers release now. Move up to your neck and head. Very slowly move your head to a yes gesture. And then slowly to a no gesture. Notice the most comfortable manner for your head and allow for the least amount of effort. When seated, you may find that maintaining your head in a gentle, neutral position with your chin parallel to the floor is best. Now let's practice breathing to enhance centering your body and mind into the practice. Breathe a relaxed, warm breath in to the count of 4. Release your breath as you exhale to a count of 5. If this pattern is too long for you, change your pattern to breathing in to the count of 3 and out to the count of 4. Always seek for the least amount of effort in your breathing practice. Extending the exhalation with a slightly longer count will activate the rest and digest part of your nervous system. You will drop your nervous system into deeper states of relaxation with the longer, slower exhalation. Practice that breathing pattern for a couple more breaths now. Centered in your practice, please begin to listen to the statements I will be providing you. You do not need to concern yourself with your breathing pattern now. You can practice by silently repeating the phrases that I will present, or you can simply listen to my voice. Either way, you will receive the benefits of self-regulation. Enjoy your practice. My feet and legs are heavy and warm. My feet and legs are deeply relaxed. My feet and legs are heavy and warm. My feet and legs are deeply relaxed. My hips and pelvis are heavy and warm. My hips and pelvis are deeply relaxed. My spine is aligned and healthy. My spine is deeply relaxed. My spine is aligned and healthy. My spine is deeply relaxed. My organs are warm and healthy. My organs are deeply relaxed. My organs are warm and healthy. My organs are deeply relaxed. My shoulders and arms are heavy and warm. My shoulders and arms are deeply relaxed. My shoulders and arms are heavy and warm. My shoulders and arms are deeply relaxed. My chest is relaxed and warm. My chest is deeply relaxed. My chest is warm and relaxed. My chest is deeply relaxed. My neck and head are cool and calm. My neck and head are deeply relaxed. My neck and head are cool and calm. My neck and head are deeply relaxed. My body is heavy and warm. My body is deeply relaxed. My body is heavy and warm. My body is deeply relaxed. I am at peace. I am at peace.